Today we are here at Lake Geneva for UIC's campfire.
So basically this was a 3-day retreat. It started out on campus and we load up the buses and we head over here to Covenant Harbor. And so here we basically had a curriculum of like things we wanted to teach the students prior to starting their time here at UIC.
Today we've had a couple talks just about belonging and skills to be real world ready. Right now we're doing some small groups talking about controversial takes. I know one of them was like, are you a brat or are you a Barbie? Something like that, just to get everybody to break the ice. Trying to teach each other how to communicate effectively and go through conflict resolution.
At Campfire, they have rock climbing, axe throwing. You can hike, walk around.
Two favorite things, definitely playing dodgeball in the activity center and definitely canoeing.
I think the pontoon ride was really fun.
The best part was kind of just getting to know everybody. Most of my classes are just within my college, so like I don't really get the opportunity to interact with a lot of people outside my major, but this was a really great opportunity. I made some really great friends that I'm hoping to see on campus, and there were some first-year incoming students and transfer students who had some questions that they were really worried about, and just being able to give them that peace of mind and giving them a few answers or directing them towards the people who had those answers was really fulfilling, and I really enjoyed it.
So the campfire was mainly for transfer students and first year. So I was like, this is perfect. I can make new friends, get to know new people, new counselors. So I think overall, like, I made a lot of new friends this time and it was actually really fun.
I'm honestly always looking for opportunities just to be involved at UIC, but I also just love volunteering and being a part of things. And this is just really a great experience and I can put it on my resume.
I'd say go for it, be adventurous. I mean, that's what this is for. And it really helps you build connections before you start your time at UIC. Go out of your comfort zone. It's a really fun experience.
If you want to make friends, if you want to really start off on the right foot, kind of put yourself out there right away, Campfire is the place. It was really enjoyable and I highly recommend it.